are now watching Open Unboxing and Review.
So today we have the unboxing of the new Mystic Black Galaxy Watch 3. So let's hurry up and open this guy up. Just like the new earbuds, got your reading material and everything jammed up top. Comes with a nice matching color Mystic Black charger. It's a USB. No wall adapter included. That's kind of the new trend of everything. But at least they do come with the cables. So, do a close up. So this is the new 45mm. And what's neat about this time around is it actually has a premium genuine leather strap that comes with it. And I mean, definitely feels its part. Feels great. So let's set this all up.